this seeming contradiction that supposedly emerged in 1948 actually isn't there. I think there's a moment where all these various strands of this kind of legal thought, whether it's the same universalistic ones, the same particularistic ones, the things that connect a very long-term Jewish identity to the soil here, and the international legal regime that emerges after 1948. And the moment, of course, I'm thinking about is the Eichmann trial. There's a statement in the fact that, first of all, this person isn't just executed the way other Nazi criminals were by Mossad or other organizations like that, and that he's not brought to a military tribunal of the Allied powers, that he's not put on trial in Argentina or in Germany or in Poland, but in Jerusalem, in a country where the crimes that he committed didn't take place. You could argue that there are victims who are here, but it's not really a civil case. On a trial that no doubt has in its theater a certain assertion about a continuous Jewish sovereignty, but it also has a certain assertion about a kind of universal legalism that is going to be broadcast from here, from this new state. And this is a moment that's well after 1948.
Yeah.
I mean, so the narrative that after 1948 everybody has to either be a Zionist and disabuse themselves of all of their international pieties, or just look at the Zionist project from afar and say, oh, look at those silly particularistic Jews and their inability to fight wars and lose them honorably the way we always wanted them to.
Yeah.
Actually, I mean, this is almost 15 years after, and it's a very, very loud statement of both of those things without any contradiction at all.
Sure. Well, that's it.